हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। तो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल सुनील कौशल में। सो टुडे आई हैव ब्रॉट अ वेरी बिग अपडेट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर फ्रॉम आईआईटी रिक्रूटमेंट 2021। भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान की तरफ से एक बहुत बड़ी अपडेट आई है, जिसमें ग्रेजुएट्स और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट्स दोनों ही अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, दोनों ही एलिजिबल हैं। और सैलरी का जो स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा, वैसे मैंने 67,000 तक अप टू लिखा हुआ है। आई हैव रिटन अप टू 67,000, बट वन मोर पोस्ट इज देयर whose vacancy is whose salary is very high. You can apply from all over India. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like today's information, please press on the like button as well as bell button. So let's start today's notification. फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए जो वैकेंसीज लेके आया हूँ, उसमें आप लोगों के लिए एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वैकेंसीज भी हैं और टेक्निकल वैकेंसीज भी हैं। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव पोस्ट के बारे में। सबसे पहली जो वैकेंसी है, फर्स्ट वैकेंसी इज फॉर रजिस्ट्रार ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस। इट इज फॉर ग्रुप ए लेवल एंड एंट्री पे विल बी L14 एंड सैलरी विल बी 1,44,200. Number of vacancies only one, and it is unreserved. Upper age limit is 57 years. Second vacancy is for assistant, and it is in group C, and salary will be 25,500. Five vacancies are there, two unreserved and three are for OBC. Maximum upper age limit is 32 years. Third vacancy is junior assistant. It is in C category. Level 3 with 21,700 will be the salary. Two vacancies are there, one for unreserved, one for OBC. Upper age limit is 30 years. In technical posts, executive engineer in group A, 67,700 is the salary. One vacancy is there. It is unreserved. Yeah, upper age limit is 40 years. Senior computer engineer, it is in group A, and salary will be 56,100. One vacancy unreserved, and upper age limit is 40 years. Junior superintendent technical in group B, and the level and entry pay is 35,400. Three vacancies are there, two unreserved, one for SC. Upper age limit 35 years. Next vacancy is assistant technical, and it is in group C, and 25,500 is the salary. One post unreserved. Upper age limit is 32 years. Now, mode of recruitment. The mode of the recruitment for all posts is direct recruitment. However, an initial appointment will be made on contract basis for a period of 5 years or attainment of the age of superannuation, whichever is earlier. The position may be confirmed on completion of the 5 years or later after internal review on performance. The mode of recruitment for the post of registrar is contract or on deputation basis. So friends, let's talk about the qualification for registrar. Master degree with at least 55% marks, at least 15 years administrative experience. For assistant, master degree from a recognized university with at least 55% marks, or bachelor degree from a recognized university with at least 55% marks and at least 3 years relevant experience as junior assistant. Okay. For junior assistant, bachelor degree from a recognized university simply and at least 55% marks. For executive engineer, BTech or BE or equivalent in civil or electrical engineering, and or MTech or ME in equivalent degree in civil or electrical engineering. Okay, and after this, senior computer engineer. For senior computer engineer, B Tech or BE in computer science and engineering, or in IT, or in electronics and communication, with 50% marks minimum. For junior superintendent technical, master degree or like in science, computer application, or IT, or bachelor degree 4 years in engineering, or bachelor in science or equivalent. Okay, and so desirable is, you can read assistant technical. For assistant technical, you could be master degree in science, or you should have bachelor degree in science or equivalent. If we talk about the opening date for online application, it is 23rd July 2021. Last date is 20th August 2021. Okay. Application fee should be paid on or before 20th August 2021. Last date for updating the payment detail is 22 August 2021. So application need not to send any hard copy of the applications to the institute. The intimation of the interviews or written or test shall be sent through email and speed post. So all the candidates are advised to check their emails as time to time, as well as the website also. So friends, these are the vacancies from, you can see the website IIT Bhilai. IIT Bhilai से ये vacancies आई हैं. Advertisement for recruitment of non-teaching as well as for technical and administrative posts. So you can see all these, and these are the steps to application. For the application process: apply online, make fee payment, add fee payment, and examples are given over here, and you can see, you can go through this website and then you can apply directly online. So I wish best of luck to all of you for all these vacancies, and meet you in the next video. And please subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please press the like button. Thank you very much.